This equation is asking us to solve for x in this equation. Well, we have x squared equals 144. The first thing that I notice is that we have this x squared right here, and I want to get rid of that, so we're just left alone with the x. In order to do that, I have to do the opposite of a square. So what's the opposite of a square? Well, that is a square root. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So that leaves us right now with the square root of x squared. Well, anytime that you have a square root and an x squared, those two are going to obliterate each other. They cancel each other off. So I get x, which is what I wanted in the first place. X equals the square root of 144. Now the square root of 144 is asking us what two identical numbers multiplied together give us 144. Well, hopefully that came up in your mind as x equals 12, because 12 times 12 is 144. But that's not the only possibility. Remember what happens when you have two negative numbers being multiplied by each other? They become positive. So with our 144, you can either go 12 times 12, 12 times 12 is 144, or you can say negative 12 times negative 12 is 144. So we have two possible solutions to get 144, both positives and both negatives. In fact, every single time when you solve an equation like this where you have a square root, you're going to have two possible solutions, a positive number and a negative number. It's extremely important not to forget this because some equations and some answers are going to require the negative answer.